Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will be discussing about probabilities and cumulative probabilities for various distribution. So we will be dealing with how to find the probabilities for various x values for various distribution. It can be continuous or discrete type. So for that you have to go for transform, and in transform there will be a compute variable. In the compute variable, let's deal first with probabilities. So let's say I'm calculating binomial distribution, so let x be those values of a random variable, and now I need those probabilities for this x. So I have to give binomial distribution here. So we need, in the binomial distribution there will be parameters that are n and p. So you have to already mention those n and p. So here n you can see it will be around 7, and p you have to give. So it's a probability of success. If it is a coin, so it will be for head, it will be 1 by 2, it will be 0.5. So you have to give in the decimal place only. So that those should be fixed, and then only we have to compute the probabilities for those variables. So in target variable you have to just give a name. So here I gave bpx, and in the function group you can see there will be a pdf and non-central pdf, and when you just click that in the function and special variable you will have binomial pdf of binomial. So when you click that and when you just import this to the numeric expression, it will be automatically come in the numeric expression. So the first variable will be x, so you have to give x, or you can see here quantity n and probability. So first variable your x, n you have to give, it should be, in my case is 7. Probability, let's see, in my case it's 0.5. So then I click OK, and your probability will be given for each variable for x. So now I need cumulative probability. So for cumulative probability also the same method, compute variable, can give it a cpx for cumulative probability, and here you have to give cdf and non-central cdf. So those for cumulative probabilities, and you can have binomial. So x will become the first variable, second variable same n, and next will be p, so 0.5, and click OK, and your cumulative distribution, cumulative probability will be given for each variable of x. So this is all about binomial distribution. So if you want Poisson distribution, same method, compute variables, so you have to give a different name. Let's say ppx for, I am giving for Poisson distribution. Same, you will have to give pdf, and here you can find the Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution, it is really mean you have to give us extra. So any type of distribution you can find here, and you can note that what all is needed. So mean, let's see, for me let me 5, which is the lambda value. So I will get that probability. Same method you can go for cumulative probability also. So for cumulative probability you will have here as Poisson, and you can go for same. Now let's go for a normal at last. uh, Balance, you can check it out. So I will just show normal also. So normal, same method, pdf dot normal. So you have to upload it. First variable will be x. In normal, mean and standard deviation should be given. Let's see, mean will be 5 and my standard deviation be 1.2. Very important note that whenever you do a analysis on data, you have to make sure the standard deviation always lie below the mean. So if it is greater than mean, that means there is a high variation, so the value you will get will not be exact one. So you have to make sure that for whatever distribution you are doing, it's not for normal, for any distribution you have to make sure standard deviation is always less than the mean value. Then you can click on OK, and we will have the probability. This is regarding with normal probability for each variable of x. Like that, there are every distribution is mentioned here, so you can have a look on it. Pareto, uniform variable, Poisson, geometric. This is geometric distribution, hypergeometric distribution, Cauchy distribution, chi-square exponential. So you can have a look on this of various distribution and its probability, how to do it. Here you will have your cumulative probabilities. That's all for today's video. So I hope you have like this video. So you have just comment below if any queries or doubts are there. So I will be definitely answering your questions.